Assalamu alaikum girls. Now we are starting our exercise 7.1 and we are going to start addition. Before starting the sum, I have to explain that before doing the sum, first of all we have to arrange all the expression in descending or ascending order first. Let's check. We are having the part 2 of question number 2. This is the expression 2a minus 5 plus 6a square. That is the first expression. Now the second expression is 5a square minus 3a plus 8. And the third expression is minus 5a plus 3a square and minus 1. First, we are trying to solve these expression with using the vertical method. Okay, so we have to arrange all the expression in which order? Descending order. Okay, that is the first expression, that is the second, and that is the third. Let's check it. We are having 2, 1 and power 0. So, and over here we are having 2, 1 and power 0. Over here we are having also 2, 1 and 0. So we have to arrange it ourselves. First of all, I have to write 6a square, then power 1 is plus 2a and the third is minus 5. Now check the second, plus 5a square, right over here, 5a square minus 3a and plus 8. And in the third expression we have to write first 3a square minus 5a, that is the second, and then minus 1, and we are adding it. So before going to add it, what we have to do? Check. 6 and 5 both are the positive term, and this one is also the positive. So 6 and 5 and 3 will become what? 14a square. Let's check it. These are terms, like terms of a. So 2 is positive, 3 is negative. So 2a and minus 3a plus 2a and minus 3a plus minus sign of greater number. Subtracted, we are having 1a, only a, and the sign of greater number. And I have to add it 5a. It will become what? Minus plus 6a. So minus plus 6a, sign of greater number. Now the minus plus minus 5 and plus 8. Minus plus minus, sign of greater number, plus 3 and minus 1. It will become what? Plus minus plus 2. That is the vertical method. When we are adding the sums, we have to remind and remember it that we have to add like term. The operation of addition and subtraction will be performed between the like term. Which are the like term? Having the same variable with the same power. Okay, so we add these like term, and these like term which have the same variable with the same power. 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, we are having 3 expression: xy plus x square y square minus x cube and y cube. Second expression is xy minus x square y square plus x cube y cube, remaining part. And the third is xy and plus x square y square. These are the three expressions. Number 1, number 2, and this one is number 3. We are going to solve this also the vertical method. Arrange yourself the expression in descending order. Okay, first of all I am going to write power 3 x cube y cube, x square y square, and x y. We arrange it ourselves like first of all x cube y cube minus, and taking this one and then this one, power 2 x square y square, and the third is power 1x and y. Right? See the second expression, plus x cube y cube, then I'm going to write minus x square y square, and third is xy. So x cube y cube positive and minus x square y square, and plus, taking this one, plus xy. And check this third expression, we are having only x square y square and xy. The power cube is missing over here, so I'm taking this one and writing with the similar term, x square y square, that is positive, and plus xy over here. I arrange myself all the term. So check it, minus plus minus, so I can cancel this, both are the additive inverse. So check it, x square y square minus x square y square, so it is cancelled, and what is left, x square y square. And over here this is negative, minus xy is this negative. In the second expression this is negative, so write it here, that is negative. So I can cancel it, this is cancelled by this, and what should I left, only plus xy. So both the expression we added. Before going to add, what we have to do, girls, we have to arrange similar terms and write similar terms